Hi guys, welcome back to another Front Office Rocks YouTube video. And as you can see, I'm filming this right now. Can you see it? At the most wonderful time of the year. It's the holidays, and I just bought this pillow and I thought it was a cute prop, but it made me think about the holidays in the dental office and the most wonderful time of the year, which in my mind is when the patient calls in and says, I forgot I have dental insurance and I need to use it all before the end of the year. Now, I know it's a joke amongst all of us to be like, really? How did you forget? You've had insurance all year. We've only reminded you 3 different times with an email or a phone call. Now you're calling just in December, right? And I get that. I understand because it is frustrating. However, I feel we should change the way we look at this opportunity. Think about any other industry. Let's just say you were in a store or a restaurant or another industry. There's no other industry where people are rushing to come to your business because they want to take advantage of something. I mean, maybe like a Black Friday sale or a coupon, but there's going to be more of those, right? When it comes to dental insurance, it at least is giving us the opportunity to get back some of those patients that we've lost over the year, to get back the patients who aren't super motivated to come in. And if it's insurance that gets them to come back, so be it. At least they came back, right? Because we have to remember at the end of the day, what is our purpose? Our purpose is to get our patients butts in the chair. So if the dental insurance being, renewing January 1st is doing that, then great, we want to make that happen. Now, this video is not about scheduling because that's an issue in itself. How do we squeeze in the last minute people who want to come in December? But this video is more of what do we do with these people now? They're back. We're doing our best to squeeze them in. And these are probably a little bit more of our flaky patients, the ones that have disappeared over the years or over the year or only come in when they're in pain. We need to now take the opportunity when we bring them back in the month of December to talk to them, sell them, get them closed on their treatment, and not just treat one thing that the insurance covers. We need to retrain our patients. We need to have a true conversation with our patients. We need to get an agreement from our patients that says, listen, we're going to get you in this time. We're going to help you maximize your insurance, but we can't continue to do this. We really need you to take care of your dental health. We diagnosed this for you 3, 6, 9 months ago, and now we're doing our best to get you in, but we need your agreement that we're not just going to do this one tooth or this one thing. We're going to start moving, and you're going to start moving down the path to get all the treatment done that you need. So don't rush through these patients. This is your time to determine, is this patient going to be a keeper? Is this patient maybe just somebody that we didn't treatment plan well enough? We didn't sell them on what they need well enough. We didn't give them the time last time and try to give them the time this time? Or is this going to be the kind of patient who only calls in emergencies and in December when their insurance needs or is renewing? And then you need to determine in your practice what to do with those patients, because you can't always just be the on-call dentist for them. They need to realize that you're there to take care of their mouth and their dental health, and you needed to get an agreement with them. So remember, it's the most wonderful time of the year. It's also the craziest time of the year. I get that. But this is your time to really have an opportunity to sit down face to face with these patients you don't see very often and truly determine, is this a patient that deserves to stay in the practice? Maybe they just didn't take their dental health as important as they should have, and now's our opportunity to help them with that. Or is this a patient that's just going to be a flaky patient going forward, and do they need to stay in your practice or not? It is the most wonderful time of the year, because if our patients are picking up the phones and calling us and wanting to get in, that's what we want. So talk with your team, get together with your doctor, have the discussion around these patients, and the closer it gets to the end of the year, take more time with them to determine what's their future with them in your practice. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful December. If it's not December when you're watching this, prepare for this as it gets closer to the end of the year. Remember to subscribe to this channel. I'm only adding exclusive videos on here that are not on any other social media platform or even on my website. So I'm trying to generate conversations and activities around things like this. So make sure you subscribe, share with others, and until next time, thank you and have an amazing, wonderful day.